Balanced it so well. You fit win Olympics.
Continue.
Aisha, but your figures are dancing as Zonto.
He shot you.
That's not as Zonto. That's recession choreography. It's because of the season.
How many times would they tell you?
You didn't reconcile your ATM withdrawals.
Okay.
I left them in God's hands.
You what?
They are debiting faster than my brain could calculate.
Hey.
Manager's line. Should I pick or fake cardiac arrest? Pick now. Be professional.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Yes, of course.
Okay.
Balance sheet almost ready, sir. Of course, sir.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
We are aligning everything with the economic situation, sir.
Will you keep quiet?
Yes, sir. If I survive this week, I will give an elaborate Thanksgiving. This BBC.
Check out our site or socials for all the series running this week. It is hot.